Hello guys, welcome to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, if today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button, like this video by clicking the thumbs up. Thank you so much to all our old subscribers. Thank you so much for everything. Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the easiest crossbody bag pattern. Okay, so this one is a straightforward cut, just one cut and your crossbody bag will be ready. Okay, so let's get into the detail of the video. So I'm using a leather material. Okay, so this is my leather material and I cut 8.5 by 49 inches. 8.5 by 49 inches. You can see that I've made some marks here. So I measured 5 inches from this point and 5 inches from this point. Okay, so you can use your ruler to rule it. So the next thing is you're going to notch where, so let's do it from this side so that you see it very well. So just notch all the main middle, the middle of your mark. Okay, so we're also going to also notch the center of the main bag. Okay, so you fold it into 2 equal parts and notch, right? Okay, now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting a curve. Okay, so I'll fold this into 2 and then start from, let's say, 2 inches. Let my curve start from 2 inches from this point. Although I don't measure, but then I just want to show you, so I'll do it like this. So I'll have a perfect curve. So see what we have. So this is a perfect curve, right? Curved shape. Now, so watch me. So I'm going to use my pin. I'm going to pin down this very point. Okay, I'll turn it to the wrong side and pin the 5 inches side where I notched. I'll pin it, pin the other side as well. Okay. The next thing is I'm going to the center, these middle points. I'll make sure they meet at this where I use pin to hold this way. Okay, so that it will be equal. So you can use your whatever to hold it. If you have a, so it should be equal. So see, I'll also come to this part and make sure that it's centralized. After centralizing it, we'll stitch it round. So we'll stitch from here like this and leave this point for turning. Okay, so how did I say? We'll come to this side and start our stitching. So I've removed the pin. Alright, so this is what we have, right? So I left this little space for turning. Okay, so just flip it inside little by little and then turn it. So I'll show you the outcome when I'm done with my turning. So after turning, see the magic we have here. So see the bag. Now the next, right, so you see what we have. This is our side bag. So now the next thing I'm going to be using is my D-ring. So I'm going to be fixing my D-ring. This is what we call D-ring, okay? And I'm going to be using belt. So I'm using this belt. I'll cut 4 inches and cut it into 2. That's 2 inches for each. So I'll use my lighter to burn the tip. Pick your D-ring. Alright, so I'm fixing it directly here. Top stitch it and top stitch the other one. Alright, so now this is my hook, okay? So I fixed the hook. See, you fix it, then the next thing is to fix my belt, 50 inches. So this is 50 inches belt. This is my D-ring. Fix my D-ring. If you've watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, it's not fair. It's not fair. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you like to join my Telegram class for you to become a professional bag maker, where I teach cutting. There are so many things that you get confused about. You say, how do they measure the side of this one? How do they do this? So in that class, I teach you measurement and cutting basically, and I teach you many other things, and you have access to me all the time. So if you like to join my Telegram class, check the description box. The details will be dropped there. Alright, so you chat me up on WhatsApp for me to tell you the price. In fact, the price will be in the description box. Alright, so now we're done with our bag. So see our bag. Now the next thing is I want to fix this snap button. I want to fix this snap button. Okay, so now all I'm going to be doing is, let me get the center. So I'll use something to pierce it, okay? So actually you can use your, if you don't have this machine, you can use your, after you fix it this way, use your hammer to, or stone or whatever, to just I'm using this machine, okay, just to press it. Alright, so it has stayed. So now the next thing is to fix this other one. So I'll use this one to get a mark and then still punch it. So actually this is still like local method because I don't have the puncher. So fix it inside. So I first of all pierced it, right, using my sharp object. So this is washer, so you put it, and then in this case I can even use my hand to press it, or if it is too strong for me, I'll use something to hit it just to make it be this way. So I'm done. So let's see what we have, guys. So this is what we have here. This is the beauty we have here. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment in the comment section, suggest a video that you like me to make for you. Alright guys, this is Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Thank you so much for watching to this time. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.